Okay, I'm Sawyer here, and I'll be talking to you about stoichiometry today. Now, some of you might not know what stoichiometry is, but that's mighty fine because I did not know what it meant when I started out either. Now, stoichiometry, the definition is the relationship between the relative quantities of substances taking part in a reaction or forming a compound, typically a ratio of whole integers. Now, that's the definition of stoichiometry. The name of our project is Stoichiometry and Cooking because guess what we did? We cooked. Now, we made red velvet cupcakes with a vanilla frosting. And we asked ourselves, our driving question was, how does stoichiometry relate back to our lives? Because you may not see it. Most people don't in their everyday lives, but you got to look really deep, and that comes down to balancing equations and making sure quantities of substances are matching up the right way.
The idea for this project was that students will need to use their knowledge of stoichiometry themselves and their peers to create a project that will allow them to learn and test about their knowledge about stoichiometry.
I'm Steve Herwin here today, and we just found some amazing crocodiles. If you look down here, they're cupcakes. They're true beauties, though.
In our project, since we decided to make cupcakes, we originally had a recipe for 24 cupcakes involving 1 1/4 cups of H2O, 1 1/2 cups of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of eggs, and 1/9 cups of cake mix to equal 24 cupcakes. Sadly, though, we only had 1/4 cups of cake mix, so we had to change all the other values that went into the equation to get a total of actually 18 cupcakes. This is an example of stoichiometry through baking. Why?
Because it involves an equation of stoichiometry, a limiting factor of eggs, a change of the actual amount of the cake mix, and a balanced equation, a percent yield of 75, giving an everyday example of stoichiometry.
Cooking is actually really fun and easy, and it can give the students an opportunity to be interactive as well as learn about stoichiometry.